Welcome to our channel. We are Leisure Explorer, and today we will be taking you through our visit to JBR Beach in Dubai. JBR, short for Jumeira Beach Residence, which is located walking distance from both Dubai Marina and Blue Waters Island, is a buzzing beachside boulevard offering shopping, dining, and entertainment experiences. It is a very trendy area and filled with tourists and locals. The promenade is beautiful and the area has a variety of international dining options. There is so much to see and do at JBR. We stayed at Blue Beach Tower Hotel, and this was absolutely perfect for us as we were within walking distance from everything, with access to the beach, great views of Blue Waters Island, and many dining options. We stayed here for 3 nights, and we are glad that we did. We love vacations with a beachside vibe. You can just take a walk down during the late afternoon and enjoy the beautiful sunset and relax. When I was initially looking for accommodation, I was quite conflicted of how to split up my trip, as I've also received recommendations to stay near the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. I think you really need to know your own travel style when you are making this decision. As we were celebrating hubby's 40th birthday, we opted to stay on JBR and rather visit the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall on a day trip. Ultimately, this was the best decision for us because we loved the vibe of JBR, Blue Waters Island, and the Marina, and it was really accessible to everything that interests us. One thing to note is due to the appeal of the area, it is always busy and has heavy traffic both during the day and night. We loved the buzz of the nightlife, and one of the things we love about Dubai is that it's so safe. The food was really amazing and you will never be short of options. We found that the food in Dubai, especially on Blue Waters Island and JBR, was extremely expensive. Coming from South Africa, the conversion rate is obviously not to our favor, but some of our friends that live there agreed that dining out is indeed expensive. If you are visiting Dubai, the Indian food does seem to be more fairly priced, and if you are looking for a quick lunch, we visited the Waitrose at the Marina for some reasonable quick lunch options. As you can see, the views are just spectacular at night. We recommend going to Blue Waters Island and take in the views from there at night. Overall, we thoroughly enjoyed our time here, and we would definitely visit again in future. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more of our videos to come.